Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix Ingress Timeout error on Instagram. And this is what the error looks like. So first of all, make sure that you are running the latest version of the Instagram app by going to your app store. Update the app if you have to. But if this doesn't work, then you need to clear app cache. To do this, open your device settings, then scroll to General. Tap on it, then tap on iPhone storage. Then, look for an Instagram app, then tap on it. On your screen, you need to tap the Offload app, then tap again to confirm. Then, the reinstall button will show up. Tap on that to reinstall the app. And hopefully, this will fix the issue. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.